At Numerian Capital, we bring you the latest stock news each day. Please like and subscribe so we can bring these articles to you each day. Thank you.
Today, October 18, 2022, Mullen is getting ready to resell 900 million shares of Mullen stock. 7 Mullen stock shareholders will be eligible to sell their shares. Mullen Automotive is planning on reselling up to 900 million shares from existing shareholders. 527 million of the shares are attributed to the exercise of warrants. Shares of Mullen stock are down about 95% year to date. Shares of Mullen Automotive, Nasdaq MULN, stock opened in the green after the company announced in a Form S-3 that it would resell up to 900 million shares owned by selling shareholders. The offering will consist of 23 million shares of common stock, 350 million shares of common stock that are issuable upon conversion of Series D preferred stock and 527 million shares that are issuable upon conversion of outstanding warrants. Mullen stated that it may receive proceeds from the exercise of warrants but not from the resale of common stock. The exercise of all the warrants in the offering will have a total value of $148 million, which Mullen will use for its operational program budget. On October 13, the electric vehicle company filed a Form 8-K to confirm its purchase of electric last-mile solutions. Mullen's initial stalking horse bid of $92 million technically won the auction due to a lack of other bidders. Of the $92 million, $55 million was attributed to acquiring assets, such as a manufacturing plant in Indiana. The remaining $37 million was attributed to contracts and related liabilities. Mullen files to resell up to 900 million shares. The Series D preferred stock will be convertible into common stock on a 1-to-1 basis. Meanwhile, the warrants will have an exercise price of the lower of $1.27, the closing price of the company's stock on the date the securities purchase agreement was executed, or the closing price of the common stock on the trading day immediately preceding the purchase date, subject to a floor price of 10 cents per share. There are 7 selling shareholders for the offering. Below is a list of the shareholders, followed by the maximum number of shares allowed to be sold. 1. Esusa Holdings, 325,287,281 shares. 2. Acuitas Capital, 318,909,099 shares. 3. Michael Friedlander, 159,454,534 shares. 4. Jess Mogul, 47,836,360 shares. 5. Jim Fallon, 15,945,453 shares. 6. Davis Rice Proprietary, 7,972,727 shares. 7. Digital Power Lending, 1,594,546 shares. Most of the shares above will be issuable and sellable upon the exercise of warrants, which will have dilutive effects. The company noted that our commitments to issue shares of preferred stock and warrants that are convertible into shares of common stock may cause significant dilution to our stockholders. Mullen has received authorization to issue up to a total of 2.25 billion shares of common stock. Of those shares, 1.75 billion consists of common stock, while the remaining 500 million shares consist of preferred stock. As of October 10, the company had 878,001,844 outstanding shares of common stock.
Thanks for watching Numerian Capital News. Please come back tomorrow for another stock news update. Thank you.